All right, here's a little room tour of my room here at Art of Animation in the Little Mermaid room. So this is in building 9. So when you walk in, I'm standing right against the door right now. So if I flip around, there's the door. And turning this way, we've got the 2 beds, which are really cute. They've got this nice headboard with a light in it, some little, what are those even called? Seahorses, and all of Ariel's tails. Very cute. Up there, we've got Flounder and Sebastian, and just some nice standard beds with lots of room underneath for storage. Flipping around a little bit, we've got our window, which has a nice little water-themed curtain, and our table and chairs. The chairs are really cute. They are like little seashells. And over here on the table is really cute too. It's lyrics to the songs, like there's Under the Sea, and then there's a nice little fish mirror right above. Turning this way, we've got our TV, our dresser with lots of storage. And this one here, there's our fridge, ice box, coffee maker, etc. Another view of the beds with the bedside table in the middle and the Hey Disney and the phone as well. There's a nice little Prince Eric and Max painting on the wall, very cute. The coat hook is actually an octopus, or not coat hook, but I guess just like hooks to hang things. And then to go into the bathroom area, there's this really cute little curtain, and it's got little Finding Nemo, oh my goodness, Little Mermaid characters. You pull that back and you come in, you've got your closet area, extra pillows and blankets, ironing board, iron, a stand for your suitcase. You've got your little sink area with another little mirror. And rotating around, you do have the toilet and the shower that are in its own little room. There's a full-length mirror on the door, and of course an Ariel shower curtain. So if I pan back over for a different view of the room, it's a really good size, and it is so super cute. Something that's different here than at, say, All-Star Music or All-Star Movies. They do have the 2 beds. They don't have the pull-down bed into the table, so that is a slight difference. But I think the theming is really, really cute.